this test of the emergency alert system.
Like the DQ $7 meal deal with a cheeseburger or 3-piece chicken strip, full-size fries, a drink, and okay. I'm filming right now. Okay, I'm filming right now.
What?
I'm filming right now.
Fine, go to bed.
Okay, what channel?
What channel what?
It's we got a weekly test today.
Okay, go. Go to bed. Get to bed, Jeffrey. It's not even turned on. It's channel 11.
Yeah, so we just keep on channel 11.
President Trump signed executive orders at the White House targeting possible tariffs on copper and reviewing security clearances for employees of a law firm who worked with special counsel Jack Smith's team.
Who would like this pen? Why don't you send it to Jack Smith?
Trump then doubled down on Elon Musk's directive to federal employees, asking them to list 5 things they accomplished last week.
And if they don't write back, they end up eventually losing their job.
The White House says more than 1 million workers have already complied, and extensions for those who have not yet responded will be allowed. Some federal employees who were recently laid off took to Capitol Hill to protest the cuts to lawmakers.
We're going to head out to the first office, and then we're going to tell your story, and then we're going to go to the next office, and then just keep going on.
In the Oval Office, President Trump also proposed a, quote, route to citizenship in the U.S., a gold card for wealthy individuals with a $5 million price tag.
They'll be wealthy, and they'll be successful, and they'll be spending a lot of money and paying a lot of taxes and employing a lot of people. And we think it's going to be extremely successful.
The administration says applicants will be vetted, and the program will launch in about 2 weeks. Erica Brown, CBS News, the White House.
House Republicans got a big win.
This is weekly?
The emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This has been issued at 2:29 p.m. Not p.m. It was at 2:29 a.m. It's in effect until 2:44 a.m. But on the first time, on your NOAA weather radios at 11:15,
Yes, Jeffrey.
we'll be doing the live voice. Will be Jeffrey gonna wake up at 11 o'clock
Yes, Jeffrey. I know. Now go to bed.
after the scroll banner? It's issued at 2:29 a.m. It's in effect until 2:44 a.m. Alright, that's it.
Alright, go to bed.
And we're saying that in the video.
Okay, that's the end. Bye.